Struggling in Retell lecture and summarize spoken text? If that's the case for you, this video is for you. Hi guys, I'm Aditi from PTE Universe. In today's session, I'm going to make Retell lecture and summarize spoken text easy for you. I'm going to share my real exam technique with you, which has helped me in maximizing my score in both the modules. And guys, I'm also going to make you understand how you can easily take notes and how you can easily insert those notes into the template. That is the final step for scoring high. Also guys, like I have taught students all over the world, and after training so many students, I've realized that lots of students are not clear with the templates. They're using multiple kinds of templates, and every time student sends me the template, is this template okay? Every template is okay provided it has all the parameters which are important. Now so many people are using faulty templates which has no space for content is important. Let me show you the marking criteria for both the tasks, guys, so that you understand what I'm trying to say. Read a lecture, POC, that means pronunciation 5 marks, oral fluency 5 marks, content 5 marks. For content marks, you need to retell points of the presentation, describe characters, aspects, their relationships, development, implications, and conclusion. Now guys, when I say this, let me tell you, I'm not trying to say content is everything. Content is not everything, but content is important. I mean, so many people, they are not able to balance these two things. Content is important. So by this I mean, like there's so many people, either they're trying to speak each and every word. It's not possible. So it's not possible to speak each and every word. So why will you write down each and every word when you cannot speak it? So I'm going to teach you the technique through which you can jot down important keywords and which you can insert, because you have to focus on other two parameters. Like just don't focus on content, focus on other two parameters also, which is fluency and pronunciation. Now some people are speaking too much content, and because of it, they're hesitating. Like the lecturer was merely discussing and they're trying to speak each and every word. They get nervous also, and which is actually lowering down their fluency. On the other hand, some people are speaking very less content, trying to maximize the fluency. You need to balance these three things, and for this, note making strategy is very, very important. If I take you to the summarized spoken text marking criteria, content has got 2 marks, you can see. Rest is word, grammar, vocabulary, and spelling. So 2 marks are here for content. Again, content is not everything, but content is important. Now let's go to the main important thing which I'm going to teach you today. That is note taking. Easy technique, very simple technique. I've taken a real exam Retell lecture transcript through which I am going to make you aware about different kinds of keywords. So many people think by keywords, should they jot down everything? Keywords are important words. So it can be noun, it can be noun plus noun, it can be adjective plus noun, it can be gerund plus noun also. Fine. Some people are trying to jot down everything which is not important. I'll show you what are keywords first, and then I'll show you how to write down the keywords vertically in a sequential manner for a higher score. Let's have a look. Fast radio burst is very much like what it sounds. So this is the topic. So if you're starting and you got the topic, you can insert. The lecturer was mainly discussing fast radio burst. It's very fast burst of radio waves. It comes under outer space. So again, outer space is adjective plus noun. Long way, and by that, and by fast I mean really fast. So it starts and stops in about a thousandth of a second. Again, it's a phrase, a thousandth of a second. So you can click your fingers and it's finished. Fast radio bursts are a real mystery. Real mystery, again, a noun plus adjective. We don't exactly understand where they come from or what actually makes them. There's a lot of open questions that we really don't have an answer for. There are probably more theories about what makes fast radio burst than actual detection. Again, it's keyword. So since 2007, we have only 20, but there are probably 30 or 40 different theories of what makes them. The most interesting thing about the first burst is the fact we found it within the Australian square kilometer ray pathfinder. So it's a big phrase, it has lots of keywords, so you can jot down as much as per the speed of the recording. Right now I am showing you through a transcript, but in real exam it will be an audio, so you will not be able to jot down each and everything. आप हर एक शब्द नहीं लिख पाएंगे, बिल्कुल भी नहीं लिख पाएंगे, कितने भी आपके अच्छे लिसनिंग स्किल्स हो, और हमें वो लिखने की जरूरत भी नहीं है, ये समझा रही हूँ मैं आपको. Only important keywords, and we are going to insert these keywords in the template to make it very much easy for you, so that it wasn't really obvious what we would be able to do this, as well as we ended up being able to do it. So this telescope, you can either jot down fantastic telescope. In fact, it's probably the best telescope on the planet at the moment for finding these bursts. So whereas in the past it has taken 10 years to find 20 bursts, this is a keyword now, new instrument, 1 or 2 every week, that will blow open the field. We will be able to do much more detailed studies of these things to get better statistics and what they're coming from. So many keywords I have marked. Fine, you do not need to insert even each and every keyword out of it. Now let me show you how to write down the keywords on real exam day and every day. So this is how, I have jotted down the keywords vertically. In real exam, you can use shortcuts. Like, let me show you which shortcuts I'm talking about to give you a better idea. See this, Australian square kilometer, abbreviations, different theories, abbreviations. So this way, instrumental INST, you need to write down things in the short way, abbreviated way. Like plus you can represent by and or by slash. Getting to jot down important things ज़्यादा लिख पाओ कम समय में. That's what I'm trying to say. Is it clear to everybody or not clear? Please write down in the comment section. I'm going to show you how I used to practice before the exam. When I was taking exam, even I practiced note making technique. This note making technique is not that easy as it looks like. It requires really practice, like you really need to practice it, so that you are not only able to write down the keywords, but you are able to insert the keywords in the template. And a lot of time you will be able to write down the things, but you yourself cannot recall what you have written. लिख लोगे पर समझ नहीं आएगा कि क्या लिखा है. तो उसके लिए क्या important है कि आप इसकी practice करें note making की, because this note making is very important for 2 tasks, read a lecture also and summarize spoken text also. So I'm showing you how I used to practice for real exam. These are 2 lectures, like 2 lectures keywords have jotted down. See this, again 2-3 lectures keywords have jotted down. This is how I used to jot down, and slowly and gradually you will be able to use shortcuts, like short words. Through short words you will be able to speak what you want to speak. And final one, like once you understand the keyword, jotting down keywords, then the final step is insertion of keywords. Now let me take you to the final step for the Retell lecture. Now see, with the same kind of template, same keywords, I'm going to show you how to use this template. The lecturer was mainly discussing fast radio burst. He also provided information about various aspects. First and foremost, he was discussing sounds, radio waves. He then talked about outer space, fingers, and mystery. He also highlighted the significance of the fact, which includes actual detection, 2007 different theories in Australian square kilometer. Overall, it can be concluded that the lecture is having crucial information about new instrument, detailed studies, and statistics, which is strongly supported by important facts and figures. So what I have done, I have just insert the keywords in the template. आपने templates में keywords को insert कर देना है. That's very simple, I think. And let's say I know I have jotted down this word statistics, but I don't know how to speak. मैंने लिख तो लिया पर बोलना नहीं आ रहा. मत बोलो. Pronunciation का score मत कम करो. Okay, now let's have a look at this SST template. The brief and explicit summary encapsulate fast radio burst. Keyword का topic डाला. Speaker gave brief information about sounds, radio, and waves. He explained about outer space, fingers, and mystery. He then talked about actual detections, different square theories, and Australian square kilometer. Therefore, after considering all the substantial ideas of the lecture, it can be said that जो भी आपका next है, it can be said that the lecturer is providing crucial information about new instrument, detailed studies, and statistics. या फिर अगर आप phrase लिख सकते हैं that के साथ तो वो भी लिख सकते हैं. So मतलब तरीका, what I'm trying to teach you is किस तरीके से आपने कीवर्ड्स लिखने हैं वर्टिकली, यूर अंडरस्टैंडिंग। अब बहुत सारे लोग ना इसको मैं आपको ये वर्टिकली लिखने हैं, इसको ऐसे हॉरिजॉन्टली नहीं लिखना, क्योंकि अब जब आप हॉरिजॉन्टली लिखोगे तब आप मेसअप कर दोगे, पैराग्राफ्स को बोलते हुए समझना मुश्किल हो जाता है, क्योंकि एक नॉर्मल ब्रेन की फंक्शनिंग की अगर मैं बात करूं, इफ यू सी अ लॉट ऑफ वर्ड्स एट वन टाइम यू गेट कंफ्यूज, यू टेंड टू गेट कंफ्यूज, सो यू शुड नॉट डू दैट. Apart from that, guys, this is one thing which I'm showing you through a transcript to make you understand. I mean, the transcript is very long. The lecture will be played for a very long duration, but the speaking time is very less. You do not need to speak each and every word in Retell lecture. Same in Summarize spoken text, you do not need to write each and every word, which is not possible also. Moreover, you have to take care of your grammar also, form also. If you exceed the word limit, marks will be deducted. So this is one homework for you. I want you to actually write down in the comment section keywords. What are the keywords according to you? I am giving you a minute. Use this minute and write it down in the comment section. What are keywords? And your time starts now. Just go and write down the keywords quickly. So I get to know you guys have understood the lecture. The only purpose of these sessions is to make sure you guys are improving. Then only it makes sense to make such lectures. Guys, for online training, you can contact us. We provide online training for PTE, IELTS, NAATI, Self-Pip, OET, Duolingo. Apart from that, guys, you can also contact us for exam booking. We help you with PT exam booking, and the voucher rate is 12,600 at the moment. Apart from that, guys, one more thing, we are also providing customized classes. Lots of people have booked their exams, like after a day or 2 days or 3 days they have their exam. If they and they want to just do a session with me, they want me to check each and everything, so we are providing a last minute exam session with Aditi. So let's have a look. What are the keywords, guys? Quickly in the comment section. How much can a single picture tell us about ourselves? Composite image of several satellite photos. It can help us better understand the current developments and conflicts. The amount of light pollution. This is a phrase, 4 words together. So general topics you can see is resources or energies. Heavily populated areas, it's a keyword. Regions of high prosperity. 4 words एक साथ आते हैं, उसे phrase कहते हैं. So you can even insert phrase. Europe. Now this word, if you don't know how to speak, don't write it down. Densely populated Po Valley. Individual towns. Big sea of light. Arab world. Extraction of oil, oil. Bright lights. Flaring of gas, Africa. Nile River. Lots of keywords are there, see in one lecture. Lifeline of Egypt, civilization. Commercial boats. Uninhabited regions, Western Australia. 22 days, Asia. Indian subcontinent. So there are lots of keywords in one lecture. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Okay? It's easy. You do not need to even write down so many keywords. With less keywords also, you can, speak fluently. Maximize all the parameters. Don't only maximize one parameters. A lot of people are either maximizing content or pronunciation or fluency. We need to balance. If it's Retell lecture, content, pronunciation, fluency. If it's Summarize spoken text, other 5 parameters. Means balance it out so that you score 10 out of 10 or 15 out of 15. So that was all for today's session. I hope the session is clear. I hope the session was helpful to you. Do show me some love in the comment section. If you like the video, genuinely press the like button and comment below and share the video with your friends. Thank you so much for subscribing our channel. Do check my Instagram handle, which says PT Universe, and our website is also live now. Go check www.pteuniverse.com. Thank you so much.